Got some good news about our web shop, web store, and the addition to GG Cars for any customers. As I've said before, we sell 20 to 30 cars a month. There's only 2 of us, and we're quite happy with that. But we get 2,500, 3,000. Now with the shop, we probably get 5,000 views to the website a month. But we also get 500,000 viewers on social media, YouTube, etc. Now we will be big players come on board, and we're now affiliated to We Buy Any Car. So before, all those people who wanted to sell the cars, we haven't got that amount of money, we haven't got that amount of space to display them or to sell them again. With there only being 2 of us, we couldn't manage. However, now if you're looking to sell your car, there'll be a link on our website to We Buy Any Cars. They will give you a decision, or they'll give you a valuation. And even if, and not many garages will do this, even if you only wanted to check our price that we're giving you, you can get a quote from We Buy Any Car. If you then decide, she's a good driver, if you then decide to sell it to them, then they say the money will be in your account within half an hour. In all honesty, I used to call them quite a lot. I used to call them a very, very lot, because I didn't believe that they would give the prices that they say they're going to. However, it would seem that we've had 1 or 2 customers, 1 or 2 people that we've put or pointed in their direction, and look at this idiot. EX04 EOP. Overtaking when there's a car there going into a 30 mile an hour in a Prius. What can you do? They're not all locked up, are they? We'll probably catch him up down here and might just have a word with him. Anyway, so We Buy Any Car. We've also got a link to Car Finance 24/7. We have another link to check a car out. So even if you're not buying a car from us, you can sell your old car using our facilities. You can arrange your own finance using our facilities. You can check the car out that you're buying using our facilities. And also, you can get an insurance quote using Compare the Market. So, as I say, you don't have to buy the car off us, you don't have to sell the car to us. However, using our facilities, you will be able to do all that on your own with proper companies. And honestly, we wouldn't recommend them if they weren't reputable and we hadn't had prior dealings with them all. This week alone, I think we've sold 3 cars via Car Finance 24/7, and again, I don't think you'll find many other garages who will put links to their competition. Our main finance company is Close Brothers. That's the one we use normally. So again, you don't think we're ripping you off or asking too much to hire an APR. You can always check that yourself. And if you don't want to go with our company, you can go with another one. We don't control their rates, so you can arrange whatever rate you want with them, whatever you can negotiate. I think it's a really exciting step forward. And then we've got a whole host of other things. You can buy spare parts. There's, as I said before, there's Manchester United shop, Manchester City online shop. We've got Haynes Workshop manuals. Every car I used to buy, the first thing I used to do was go and buy a Haynes Workshop manual. And now we've got this online link. You can order them online. We've got eBay shops, Amazon shops. You can buy mats. You can buy load liners. We've got links to different cars. So Lamborghini, Ferrari, Jaguar, and even motorbikes, Ducati, Harley Davidson and Vespa. You can buy gifts with the logos on, gifts to fit them, models. It's just the website Obviously you'd probably be able to tell I'm a big kid at heart. You can buy drones, cameras, the action cameras, GoPros we have a link to. Also, this one here is the new DJI Osmo. So we've got such a good social media following. It's allowed us to do deals with these companies, and we will get, if you buy anything using our links, then we will get a small commission. And it is a small commission, but mostly following those links, if you're buying a car off we're not greedy at all. However, you'll go to some places, the big dealers, where, for want of a better word, they're going to try and stiff you. And I've been there in the past. I've been, you're not just targeted to sell new cars, you're targeted to sell used cars as well. But then you've got a model mix. You've got to sell all the model range. Then it's not just that. You've then got to sell the SuperGuard polish, the stain guard interior protection, the alloy wheel protection insurance, the minor collision damage insurance, gap insurance, and you're also targeted to do all these things as a salesman. And to be honest, it gets on your nerves. But my girlfriend went into the local Audi and the local VW place. Now, I know people at both those dealers. I couldn't get away that day when she was looking to see what sort of car she wanted, and she got quotes off both people. I couldn't make head nor tail of both of the quotes. One of them had £1,700 worth of options that she didn't need, including gap insurance that she didn't want. She was paying cash for it. What good's gap insurance? Anyway, so as I say, 1,700 quid on both things, and the finance was outrageous. And this was from a main dealer, but they have somebody there to sell your finance. There's somebody there to sell your warranties. Hopefully soon we'll be able to do the warranties as well. We've just taken on RAC for our main warranties. Shortly, hopefully, we'll have an RAC shop as well, and we'll be an affiliate of the RACs. So we'll be able to sell you their product. We've also got Compare the Breakdown cover. We've got National Tyres. Anything that you could possibly want, you can arrange a service through National Tyres. You can arrange to have tyres fitted. You can get a quote and have them done at your place of work. It's, as I say, we've now got, from a small place in Preston, from a small garage, a 2-man operation, 3-man counting Lance, our detailer, which I'd never forget because he makes the cars like new and probably the biggest sales aid ever. So a 3-man operation. We have cars. We had a chap fly from Gibraltar the other day, flew to Manchester Airport. From Manchester he got a train to Preston. We picked him up on Preston Station, and he's driven the XF that I was using a couple of weeks ago. He's driven it back to Gibraltar. I mean, we've just got such a phenomenal reach with social media these days, and it's so difficult. Cars do go wrong. We can't help it. We try our best to sell the best cars we can possibly get hold of, but unfortunately they do go wrong. It's very, very easy. It's very difficult to get a great name. It takes ages to build up a great name. We've got loads of 5-star reviews. It's so easy to get a bad name by just upsetting one person on social media, and it's snowballing. So, we're trying our best to help everybody, and even the people who don't buy cars off us, we're trying to help. We will benefit. We're not doing it totally for free, but it doesn't actually cost you money. It costs the people who you buy stuff off money with the same price. It's not inflated or anything. It's the same price, but we will get a small percentage. All I can ask you to do is click on the link, have a look through the stuff, try and sort your insurance out. I've saved a fortune on my insurance, my house insurance, my energy bill, my travel insurance. Compare the Market is absolutely fantastic. It's I can't praise it highly enough, and you can do the same. So hopefully, click on the link in the description. BC Cars. If you're watching it on GG Cars, there's up on the right hand side. There's a little link to the shop, and there's stuff there to interest everybody. There's even fashion. There's Italian shoes. There's ladies' clothes. There's guys' clothes. There's Oakley sunglasses, shirts, sports equipment, and we're working on some others as well. So it's your one-stop shop for everything car related. As I say, please give it a try and click on the link in the description. Thanks very much for watching, and please keep watching, like and subscribe. It means the world to us, honestly. It really does. I can't believe that we from this place here, if you can see through these cameras, I can't believe from this place here we're generating 500,000 views a month on YouTube, and it's going up all the time. It's absolutely fantastic, and we are doing our best to pay you back and thank you for it. Thanks very much.